Hey, it's Greg Luther, and welcome to today's morning meeting. I am Greg Luther, the one guy that meets with you every day to help you in growing your business. Today's topic is going to be about the best types of clients for you to work with, changing into this new real estate economy that we're all dealing with. Frankly, the entire economy is changing drastically, and the type of clients that you need to work with here is changing as well. Are you attracting the right type of people? Trying out a new webcam today, and I don't like it. I look incredibly filtered. I don't look this good. And I like to be real for you. Trust me, there's still craters in my face and I look really old and, growths everywhere. I don't know. I just don't look like this. So anyway, good webcam. If you're insecure, it makes you look better than you actually do. I don't like it. Anyway, our topic for the day today is finding that right type of prospect. And as I've always said, if you're involved in our inner circle coaching, we talk a lot about the, I hate to say the avatar client, but the best niche that you should work with, and realizing that the wealthy individuals are the least affected by economic changes. So as an example, I was talking to one of our coaching members here yesterday, and the topic came up about all her lower end homes are getting very little showings and things have dried up and price reductions and all that. But the higher priced homes, lots of showings, lots of offers, things are going well. That's because they are least affected by economic changes. They're not freaking out when the inflation report comes out, when the unemployment numbers come out, when what's going to happen with the tax changes, all of that stuff. That's not an issue for them. So it actually affects them more, because financially they've got lots of employees and they're the ones paying the bills and that type of thing, but they got plenty of assets. It's not going to be an issue that it changes their quality of lifestyle. So the first thing you've got to do is move up the ladder. If you're going to do well moving into the new year, you have to move up the income ladder or the wealth ladder to get with people that are more likely to work with you. Of course, as I start my live meeting, the sun is coming in from everywhere. It's like, I'm being beamed up to you. I left the blinds open today, as you can see. But these are the types of people, not just luxury buyers or sellers, but also move up buyers and sellers, people that are selling in that median price range and moving up to a larger home. They're doing well financially. Their family is growing. They need a bigger home. They were in a 3-bedroom, they need a 4, or they were in a 2-car garage, they need a 3-car garage. They're really looking to move up in price. And those are valuable clients for you. What you have to think about is, what is my offer for them? How do I attract them? What's going to be good bait to get them to bite, so they realize I'm a great agent and I can do a good job for them, right? So that higher end prospect is one that can make you a lot of money if you really get a good campaign together moving into the new year. Get a good campaign together that makes sense and does attract a large number of those. You don't necessarily have to have a funnel. Many of you know I'm doing tons of marketing funnels for agents and they're generating a whole lot of closings, but maybe you don't need that. Maybe you just need 1 or 2 extra closings a month, and that would get you where you want to be. Think about the type of niche you want to work with. The last thing you want to do is work with first-time buyers. They're literally being priced out of the market as rates go up and, that type of thing. So I want you to think about the niches that you can be most profitable in. And I want you to think about what offers are going to get them to reply to you. If you put that together and you get it out to the public, look at what how much free information is available for you to advertise yourself, advertise your information. It costs you nothing to be on Facebook. It costs you nothing to be on YouTube. Show me your YouTube channel. Are you putting out content, or are you fighting obscurity where nobody knows who you are or what you offer? Are you able to push through no matter what's happening, even if the sun is coming in on your face absolutely everywhere? Do you know how to keep going and help people as much as possible? So I feel myself getting closer as the sun is coming in to keep it out of the way here. But I want you to really think through your marketing campaigns and what you're going to do over the next 3, 6, 12 months to generate the right type of prospects. The advantage is when you get into luxury or even move up buyers, those are 2 to 3 times as much money. You close one of those, it's like closing 3 little deals. There's less trouble, less drama. It's never going to fall out of contract for the hot water tank. They don't care about $800. It's like, why are you even calling me about this repair? Put a new hot water tank in there. Who cares? Now, in the lower end, oh, we're not going to be able to sell then. We're just going to have to stay here. And they're both realtors are splitting the fee and that type of thing. You've been there before. You know how that is. So I want you to start attracting the right type of prospect. We've got tons of training on luxury. You can go into the members website and see that. By the way, if you are not a member with us, as far as an Inner Circle coaching member, in the description down here, you should see all kinds of free resources that will help you, that will get you trained, and that will offer you Inner Circle coaching. So we can get you closing more deals. But, you know, what's the point of learning stuff if you're not actually implementing stuff, right? What's the point of trying to get more information, watching every day, doing all that, but you're not actually going out and meeting with clients. You're just kind of getting ready to get ready. That's not going to help you in any way. So check out some of the information below, and that will certainly point you in the right direction. Incidentally, we just this week, this is the first full week that we moved our platform for our morning meetings from our Inner Circle member website here to YouTube. And we've had phenomenal feedback. Everybody loves it. Now they don't have to wait. If they miss it, they can watch it later that day if they had an appointment or something like that. But I want you to set a timer for yourself, set an alarm every single day at the same time, 10:45 Eastern, 7:45 Pacific. Set an alarm Monday through Friday. Hey, Greg, getting ready to release a video here. I want to go check it out. So you can do that on your phone. I'm always here to help you. I want to get you closing lots of business, and we'll have topics where some days you'll say, man, that was awesome. That was the best thing I've ever seen. And some days it's like, yeah, that was pretty good. I got a couple of good ideas out of it. But what you'll find is doing that every single day can certainly get you pointed in the right direction. We have so much that we're covering for Inner Circle members coming up. I was talking about the other day, here comes a cloud finally to get rid of all of that. I was talking to our Inner Circle members the other day about the fact that we're going to have a big training coming up for conversion, how you convert your leads. So many agents are worried about getting new leads. They can't convert them, and then they'll blame the lead. They're like, well, those leads are no good. I'm going to cancel that and try over here. No, everything you've ever done in your life is no good if you're not converting at a very high level. So we're going to have a conversion training for all of our Inner Circle members coming up too, working on all of that as we speak. So hopefully you are going after the right types of clients. I want you to think about that middle of the road and higher, or move up buyers and higher. People that are doing very well financially. They want to move up to a larger home. Finances aren't a problem for them. That's a real good place to start as we start to head into a possible recession, possible home value adjustments, that type of thing. That's the type of clients you want to work with. So I want you to check that out on the member site. Get as much information as you can there. We got some stuff on the luxury webinars and things like that too. I think you'll find that's a better prospect to work with. And I'm happy to have you on board. If you are not following this page and ring the bell to turn on notifications, you can set up a YouTube account for free. I don't know why a lot of agents don't have a YouTube account. They just watch YouTube. But set up an account right now for free, and then you can follow this page and ring the bell, turn on notifications, because it'll let you know every time I have more free content for you. So check everything out in the description. Click down on the description here. Check it out. I think you'll find it helpful, and make it a profitable weekend. We'll talk to you soon, and bye-bye for now.